Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something truly special on my desk. It's the brand new, highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Now, the FE series has always been about bringing flagship features to a more accessible price point, and I can't wait to see if this one lives up to the hype. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get this open. Alright, here we go. Classic clean Samsung packaging. Lifting the lid. And there it is. Wow. First impressions are everything, and this is definitely making a good one. Let's put the phone aside for just a moment and see what else we get in the box. As expected with Samsung's eco-friendly approach, it's pretty minimalist. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Here's the SIM ejector tool, and underneath we've got the usual paperwork, the quick start guide and warranty card. And yes, just to confirm, there is no charging brick included, so you'll need to use one you already have or purchase one separately. Now, for the main event, the phone itself. Peeling off this protective film is always so satisfying. And wow, just look at that. I'm immediately struck by how premium this feels. Samsung has gone with a frost matte glass back, which feels incredible in the hand and is fantastic at resisting fingerprints. The frame is a sleek, polished aluminum that just screams quality. It's slim, comfortable to hold, and has a really nice balanced weight. The camera layout on the back is clean and minimalist, following the design language of the flagship S series. It's a very elegant and modern look. This particular color is gorgeous, but it's also available in several other stylish options. Plus, it comes with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, which is a huge plus for peace of mind in daily use. Let's power it on and talk about this display. We're looking at a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, and as you can see, the colors are absolutely stunning. Deep blacks, vibrant, punchy colors, just what you'd expect from a top-tier Samsung panel. It has an FHD+ resolution, making everything from text to videos look incredibly sharp. But the star of the show is the 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Scrolling through the UI and my social feeds feels buttery smooth. The display can also get super bright, which is fantastic for outdoor visibility on a sunny day. Watching content and just navigating the phone is a visual treat. Okay, let's dive into what's powering this device. Depending on your region, the S25 FE is equipped with either a top-tier Exynos or Snapdragon chipset, essentially flagship-level silicon. My unit here is running the mention the specific chip if known, otherwise generalize, and it's paired with a generous 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. From my initial setup and playing around, everything is lightning fast. Apps open instantly, and switching between them is seamless. Samsung's One UI, built on top of the latest Android 15, is incredibly well optimized. It feels responsive and fluid, whether you're just browsing the web or juggling multiple demanding applications. This phone is built for performance, and it shows. Now, let's talk about one of the most important features for many of us, the cameras. On the back, we have a versatile triple camera setup. It's headlined by a 50-megapixel main sensor, which should capture incredible detail. That's accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide for those expansive landscape shots, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom to get you closer to the action. I'm really excited to test this out, especially with the enhancements to nightography mode, which promises better low-light photos. Of course, it also shoots video in up to 4K. Up front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera that promises sharp, clear portraits with some cool AI enhancements. I'll be taking a bunch of photos and videos over the next few days, so stay tuned for a full camera review. Powering all of this is a substantial 4,700 mAh battery. That's a great size, and combined with the efficient chipset and adaptive display, I'm expecting excellent battery life that should easily get you through a full day of heavy use, and then some. When you do need to top up, it supports 25W fast charging, as well as the convenience of wireless charging. Samsung has always been strong with battery optimization, so I have high hopes for this one. A few other key features to mention: the S25 FE has a fantastic set of stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, which makes watching movies or gaming much more immersive. Connectivity is top-notch with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, and the latest Bluetooth standards. For security, we have a fast and reliable in-display fingerprint sensor, which I found to be very responsive during setup. And let's not forget the software. It ships with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI, and Samsung is promising long-term software and security updates, which is fantastic for the longevity of the device. You also get powerful features like Samsung Knox for security and DeX, which lets you turn your phone into a desktop experience wirelessly. So after this initial unboxing and first look, what's my final verdict? The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse. It successfully packs flagship-level features, a stunning display, a powerful processor, a versatile camera system, and a premium build into a more accessible package. It feels like you'll be getting 90% of the ultra-premium flagship experience without the ultra-premium price tag. This phone seems perfect for a wide range of people. If you're a longtime Samsung fan, a content creator who needs a great camera, a student or professional who needs a reliable daily driver, or even a mobile gamer who demands smooth performance, the S25 FE should absolutely be on your radar. I am incredibly impressed so far, and I can't wait to put this phone through its paces for my full review. What are your initial thoughts on the Galaxy S25 FE? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming deep dive review. Until next time, take care.